Welcome back, y'all. I am so excited. Just got this thing in. Pretty freaking cool. Oh no, the muzzle's pointing at me. Just kidding. So anyway, we've got the new M&P Steel series, the HD. Ooh, exciting. So super excited to run this. I ended up getting a new dot as well. Apparently, Holosun decided to come out with a cheaper version of the 507 comp, and now they have a 407 comp, which is just a 6 MOA dot. And I think there's a couple other variances, but this is the only one I wanted. And it makes it a lot easier. I've had in the past the 507 comp will change in between the different retinals, and it kind of drives me nuts because I have to look it up every time to figure out how to change it back. So this will prevent that from happening. Now, as I go through the package, I guess this optic system is some type of core system, and included in here is a bunch of items, and actually found a magwell too kind of buried in there, so I do get a little cheapo aluminum magwell. And this must be the little tool to hold it on or something. It's my first time really rocking one of these full-size M&Ps. I've got a shield that I carry from time to time, and it's a little different than this. But so these just look like little plastic spacers. I would have to guess that you remove this plate, throw that on there with your corresponding footprint, and whammo, you've got a semi-direct milled. I'm guessing there's probably a bunch of holes here to screw different dots in, and just a little spacer to take up the gap. Anyway, pretty good, pretty nice. Trigger on this thing is not bad. Stock, you know, this is the performance center, and so a lot of take up. But once it's back, reset. So not awful. One thing I did notice, just briefly looking through this stuff, when you go to put this magwell on, it looks like it slips on, kind of similar to what the CZs do. I think it's going to scratch the lower end of the frame. That kind of sucks. I'm kind of picky with my firearms, and don't like them dinged up if I can hopefully prevent it. But other than that, looks pretty good. Pretty good pistol out of Maryville, Tennessee, which is super cool. It's about an hour and a half away from me. The magazines, the Performance Center actually comes with 4 of these 17 rounders, I believe it is. And it's got this big old huge, I don't know, base plate. It's just kind of a big gap. So it's better than what they used to have with that little piece of plastic that stuck off. And that's what always prevented me from shooting M&Ps. But I do have a couple of extensions coming in. Should be here later today or tomorrow. So I will be putting at least 2 extensions on these to run them in LO and CO. To lock these bad boys in to the grip, you got to install this little included pin. Is that a lanyard loop? Oh man. I'll be honest, I am not digging that. I may have to run the magwell just to keep it from looking ugly. Woof. Huh. That is not my favorite. At least it's easy to remove. I wonder if I left it off and the grip came off mid-stage. How weird would that be to grab, huh? That's interesting, isn't it? Is that the internal locking system of the whole backstrap? How much more comes apart? Oh, I guess that... Man, there's a lot of weight that could have been added here. No wonder why this thing is 33 ounces. Hopefully someone will make a tungsten or a brass backstrap insert. How the hell do I get this thing off? Ah. The front strap, I'm noticing, has light in between the grip, the steel grip, and the polymer. So I wonder if that's removable as well. Definitely seeing why this thing is so much lighter than I would have preferred. Stay tuned for match footage. We'll be having some new videos coming to you. Thanks for watching.